What is up, everyone? This is MoTutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your Bluetooth or wireless mouse that keeps on disconnecting on your Windows device. So let's get right into this. So if your Windows device for some reason just like keeps disconnecting the Bluetooth or your wireless mouse, there's a few ways to fix this. The first easiest thing you can do is just go to your search bar and type in Device Manager until you see this page pop up, and in here you're going to click into Bluetooth, Bluetooth, and then whatever Bluetooth version you have over here, right click into this and you do update driver, as well as click into properties, and then make sure in the driver section you have the latest driver basically installed over here. You can roll back a driver as well and see maybe this wasn't happening and then something did get installed and it's causing more issues. The next thing to do is same thing with the mice and other pointing devices. Same thing, right click into it, update it, and then go from there. The next thing you can do is, if it's just the mouse itself or your mice itself, unplug the wire or USB device that is basically connecting your mouse to your computer, and then put it back in or into another USB port. A lot of times that port could be the one causing issues, so doing that usually fixes this as well. The last thing you can do is go to your search bar again and type in services and then over here search for something that says Bluetooth support service. Double click into this and then make sure this is running. If not, press the start button to make it run, and then make sure it's not manual, it's on automatic, and then go from there. And once you guys do this, you guys should be good to go and not have these errors persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please pass it up, go on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that MoTutorials out. Peace.